guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I am with my boyfriend Andre and we are heading over to Utah from Nevada, and we are heading to the Zion Canyon area. We are going to be camping there tonight, and tomorrow we'll be filming and doing some vlogging at Zion National Park. Hopefully we'll be able to do the Narrows tomorrow, which I'm not totally sure if we're going to be able to. The Narrows is the river within the canyon. I heard there's some toxic algae going on right now, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do that or not, but whatever, we're gonna have a great time and hopefully see some really beautiful wildlife and scenery while we're out there. Look how pretty and how clear the moon is out here. Welcome to Utah. Woo.
We have to pass through border.
No, Andre, this is the United States.
Oh, because like it's like port of entry. So I was like, oh wait.
This is a serious question, guys. He just asked if we have to go through, oh, basically an official border to go from Arizona to Utah.
True.
Yikes. Drive up. Holy shoot.
And that you will immediately take that content down.
So this is all the stuff that we got earlier from Walmart. We just got some firewood from the hotel, campground, whatever we're staying at, mattress, tent. Well, we're not staying at a hotel, but our campground has a hotel attached in the front if you want to stay in the hotel, and they have firewood for sale. We have some water, and we're gonna go to the grocery store across the street to get our food. And so yeah, it's time to set up. So we're just gonna set up our tent right now. It is 8:30. Yeah, it's like a little bit after 8:30. It's super dark, but it's so nice out here. The town is so pretty. Like, I didn't expect there to be so many cute buildings and different restaurants and stuff to eat at. So here is our campground. We're just gonna set our tent in the back and then park right in front. There is a picnic table, and there's also actually a little fire pit out here with a grill on top, and we bought a little cast iron grill. So we're just gonna cook our breakfast and whatnot in the morning under here, and we'll just get some charcoal and stuff like that later for tomorrow for breakfast. And there's some RVs, some people with the fire. Yeah, so let's go ahead and just get started so we're not like being so awkward. Here is our tent. Andre left to go make some breakfast. Yum. Oh. So here is our tent. This is our current situation. Last night we were in our sleeping bags. I got an extra blanket because it was freezing. It was down to 33 degrees last night. Andre had his whole like hat, gloves, long johns and everything. Yo, look. What? Andre really came prepared like it was about to snow.
Oh,
but it's, oh shoot.
I might be Canadian, but that's that Florida blood in me right now.
Okay, anyway, so it was so cute. We got in late last night, so we really didn't get to film us like putting the tent together. Like, we have some shots, but they weren't really that great. But it was super dark when we got here, and it was so nice. We saw so many deer, and then after that we just set up our tent, and our, I guess, camping neighbors next door, they were really nice. They gave us a hammer and like gave us a hand with some stuff, and it was really nice of them because they really didn't have to. And then after that we just went to the grocery store and got some stuff for breakfast, which is what Andre is working on right now. So we've got some potatoes, eggs, breakfast meat, and then we have sandwich bread to make a sandwich to take into the park, some chips, fruits, and I don't even remember what that is, or whatever. So we're just gonna make some breakfast now and then take the rest of the food into the park because we're gonna be camping for a while. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go in the shower and stuff and go get changed and become a little bit more presentable for the rest of the vlog.
So in need of a grooming is undercoat till we start to get filthy. You're good.
It's when it's trying to she's so she's just all muscle. And so she can slip out of it. She can't get out of it. Yeah. But when you can, you know, if they really start to pull like the cycle.
Andre, how much potatoes do you want? Is this good enough for the both of us? So mad. My camera died. Like, I got a new battery thinking that it was already charged, put it in the camera and it was dead. So right now I'm filming on my phone, and I guess that's probably what I'm going to be using for the rest of the day, which is fine. But I brought this camera and I feel like I'm not even going to be able to use it. But the campground we're at actually has a little lodge and a check-in center, and there's actually an inn on top of the lodge.
Maggie, get over here.
That's our camp neighbor's dog. And so I'll probably just end up trying to charge my stuff in the check-in center while we wait for our shuttles and stuff to go to the park.
You can use the GoPro today.
Oh yeah, yeah, we have the GoPro. We just finished getting ready. This is the hiking fit, and we are about to get on out of here, check out at the little check-in center lodge, and then we are gonna go wait for the shuttle to get us into Zion Park. And yeah, so be sure to stay tuned. Hey guys, we just got into the national park. We are at the visitor center and we're gonna walk over to the shuttle that is gonna take us inside of the park. I think the actual scenic drive into the park is about 5 miles. So we just got tickets for the shuttle and we're gonna take the shuttle into the park.
Hello, and welcome to Zion National Park. Zion is a place of outstanding scenery, a sanctuary for wildlife, an oasis in the desert that boasts of canyon stops. The lodge makes a great transfer location. Make sure you check the destination of the bus before.
Maybe the reason why the water is that color is because of the sign up.
Oh, this is steep. I'm struggling. Get away from me. This is so pretty, and it feels so good up here.
So you go, so it's the last of the steps.
Did you grab it's slippery?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but you go up there, it's like, wow.
This is super steep. I don't know if the camera's really picking this up. And over there, there's a pool. Oh lordy, you see this? This is some real dedication. Whoa. This is crazy. Definitely not in Florida anymore.
I got my ultra mega wide lens.
Come on, come on. Look at the rock formations. This is what you call astounding geological. These are actually a result of tectonic plates smashing together, causing the canyons and the valleys that we see. It's really beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We are currently on the way to Bryce right now. Stay tuned for our next vlog. We are going to be at Bryce Canyon National Park over there. So don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and leave a comment down below letting us know what was your favorite part of the video. Thank you guys. Until next time.